look after him and take care of him and feed him and everything. I've never had a pet of my very own before.
Unless you're my coworker.
All right, Johnny, got a fun episode for you. You're gonna love this one. So, in our family, we have an old cat over there. You see him on the porch? He doesn't know. Yeah, the dog's barking next door too, but that's part of the neighbors. So, tell me when, hon.
Probably good.
Okay. So, our old cat, 14 years old, is he about 14?
Yeah.
Has issues. And he probably won't be with us a lot longer because he's just old. In fact, let me show you one of his issues. Can I change the camera? No, I guess I can't during recording. Hello, Mango. Yeah. So, one of his issues is he's got this big lump on his head. And he'd be okay, except that we keep him on, he wouldn't be okay. We have to have him on antibiotics so that doesn't get bigger. But the big issue right now is actually his backside. Yeah, this is nasty. He's got some diarrhea, backside poo issues right now.
I don't even want to know what's coming out the back.
And so we're going to give him a bath. We had to do this a while ago, and he didn't like it, but he was a lot better off after. And we can't really let him in the house if he's got poo on his butt. And every time he sits down, he leaves a little poo stain. So we're going to fix that right now. And by the way, Hannah, my lovely daughter, is going to be helping us.
It smells like it smells like the really, really nasty side of the butt.
Ah, it is. You don't like this, do you? I don't like it either, kitty.
You need to be in the water, Ringo.
Yeah, that's gotta go down. You funny?
No. But I forget not to have my hands in front of his face.
He's got claws, doesn't he?
Like tear duct?
I don't know. I mean, it could be, or a sign, some kind of a
Do
sign.
you want to
this thing.
change my clothes?
Well, and go change and get more water in, because it might be nice to shampoo him in a clean tub.
I'll pull him out, you dump it, and then do you want to go?
Then I can dump him, I can go check the water and bring it
Okay.
back. And, okay. All right, and if he can just stay on the porch, and maybe the garage porch there, if you can, and check him. Bah.
Oh, she's like a slimy rat.
But it's off, right?
No, he's flinging water everywhere. It looks clean to me.
I think.
Oh, buddy, don't lick that. Oh, Mango.
Well, that's what cats do, because they're so clean.
Yeah, he's clean from what I can see. I picked a tiny bit off the back of his.
I'm tired of doing all the dirty work around here.
We will, yeah.
Wow.
It's not very much either. Ooh, it's hot.
This cat.
Alright, this is the shampoo part. Take a look. Come on.
Okay.
How's it look?
Sorry.
It looks like I peed in my pants.
Okay, he looks good to me.
He's giving him his what every boy needs to know about being a man speech.
So, what are the lessons from this episode, Johnny? Here's what they are. If you're gonna have a pet, you gotta take care of it. And that's not just for the first week or the first month that you have the pet. You have to take care of the pet the whole life of the pet. So that means scooping the cat box. That means putting him out, letting him in, feeding him, cleaning up after him, taking care of him. So make sure that if you really, really want a pet, that you're really, really committed to taking care of a pet. All right? That's probably the biggest lesson for today. Second one is the one that's always there, and that's to remember that you can do whatever you set your mind to do, and your stepdad loves you.
No. It can't end this way.